has netted nearly 47 crores with data just pouring in week one, which is fantastic, which is something that was beyond our imagination for this wonderful gem of a film. Actually moving right now in the next month to an office in Andheri. It's strange, we moved in with a family film called Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. In the year 2001, we moved into the Jain Arcade office in Khar, and we're leaving after Kapoor and Sons. So from an over-the-top dramatic family drama to a subtle, low-key, dysfunctional family, Dharma Productions truly has moved from family to family. So it's been one long, amazing era for all of us. We've nurtured some really fantastic new voices, acting talent, directorial talent, and we are immensely proud of all of them. There are about 13 of them that Dharma Productions has launched, and we are so proud, and we walked tall with the very short Shakun Batra this weekend. He truly has emerged as a new voice. I'm not saying that, the world is, and we're so vastly excited about the love, the appreciation, and the enormous amount of energy that Kapoor and Sons has got. From a script written by the extremely talented Aisha and Shakun together, a script that really lots of people told us not to make, a film that we were warned about, a film which tonality and syntax was questionable. It's finally a film that Dharma Productions and all of us at Foxstar and the entire cast and crew is so immensely proud of. It just goes to show that you work against the tide and you emerge victorious. You go with the flow and you don't land up on any shore. Kapoor and Sons truly is a film that is all about its directorial energy, and Shakun brought to celluloid much beyond his imagery, his vision for the film and the written word. But it would not have been possible for the absolutely terrific ensemble. I'd like to invite the entire cast on stage for us to share and celebrate this wonderful weekend. A bit of trivia before I call them. The film has netted nearly 47 crores with data just pouring in week one, which is fantastic, which is something that was beyond our imagination for this wonderful gem of a film. Overseas has really pleasantly and amazingly surprised us with $4.2 million in week one and racing towards a fantastic final cover. We are very soon and hopefully post this weekend heading towards a 100 crore worldwide number for a small film with a humongously large heart. I know money should not count, but in the world where box office seems to be the only conversation on order of the day, we have to kind of, when you can't beat them, join them kind of phenomenon. So we're going to show off a little bit about our numbers, but trust me, we say that with all humility and modesty. And now to call and invite the forces behind Kapoor and Sons, I'd like to first invite our partner in family, not in crime, Vijay Singh from Foxstar.
आपकी ये फिल्म देखकर बापू चटर्जी और ऋषिकेश दा की याद आ गई। फिल्म लिखते वक्त और फिल्म बनाते वक्त क्या कहीं कुछ जहन में था कि इस तरह के किसी डायरेक्टर की स्टोरी या कहानी?
नहीं, ऐसे सोचा तो नहीं था, मगर मेरे को लगता है जो सिमिलैरिटी ये है कि उनकी पिक्चरों में कुछ सच्चाई होती थी। इतना मैनिपुलेशन या मैथ के साथ पिक्चर नहीं बनाते थे, दिल के साथ बनाते थे। सो आई थिंक वो जो एक एसेंस है कि दिल से पिक्चर बनाना, एक पिक्चर में सच्चाई होना, एक ऑनेस्टी होना, I think that's what feels similar maybe.
हालांकि अभी आपने करण जी कहा कि कुछ होता है के बाद कपूर एंड सन्स के बारे में आपने कहा कि ये बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है, जितना वो लैविश फिल्म थी वैसी नहीं है। तो इसे बनाने के पीछे क्या कारण था? क्या आपको चीज लगी जिसको अट्रैक्ट होके आपने ये फिल्म बनाने की सोची?
देखिए, the only reason जिसके लिए हम फिल्में बनाते हैं वो है स्क्रीन प्ले। फिल्म की जो लिखाई होती है वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। तो जब मैंने इस फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे बहुत फेथ था इस मटेरियल में, और मुझे लगा कि ऐसी कहानी और जिस तरह शकुन ये कहानी बताना चाहते थे, मैं इस कहानी को फिर प्रोड्यूस जरूर करना चाहता था। हालांकि बहुत मुश्किलें थी हमारी राह में, लेकिन इवेंचुअली एक अच्छी पिक्चर को कोई नहीं रोक सकता। सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद इट।
Were you all expecting this kind of positive response? I'm not talking about box office. I'm talking about the critical acclaim that the film has got.
Were we expecting this? Yes. I was, because I'm never deluded about my material. When a film is not good, I always know it's not good, and then I hope for the best. But when a film is special, and for me as special as Kapoor and Sons, it was something that I always knew. And I feel like, we always in the industry tend to kind of hold back our love for our own content because we feel that we may not achieve the required success. But in this case, I was putting it out into the universe every day. I was like, this is a great film. It has to get the love. It should get the love. And I hope and pray it does. And it did, and thank God.